Hold on, oh, here it is. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's a real sexy image for this song. Let's play it again. Girl.
Every time I look at you, I just tell you something that's in my stomach. Tell me.
Lee, you need to stop gagging. Wow.
Yo, I look at you every
Song's over. If you have like 20 seconds, okay.
Ready? Go.
Girl.
Every time I look at you, I tell you, you have severe body odor. It's disgusting. Every time I see you every day, I want to look at what's on your shirt. I like belly buttons and I like people hair.
That was a monster-covered statue.
As soon as he said pubic hair.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's use
See,
the...
look at this thing.
Oh, nasty.
Alright, new ringtone.
Alright, this is...
That's long, I can rap over it.
A longer one that you can rap
I'm gonna do
over?
a song with
Can you
that.
rap over this one? We're in the club now.
Oh, you play it again?
It's short. It's short.
It's video like
I'm in the club.
It's a video like
Alright, hold on. I think this one's longer.
No, better one, ready?
It's like we're in Tokyo. We can rap over this crappy
What's here?
reggae / Latino beat.
Yeah, this one. Ready? Here we go. ¿Sabes tu familia? ¿Y cuántas personas hay? Dime cómo es tu familia. ¿Cuántas personas hay?
¿Por qué no tu cara?
Es mi padre, mi abuelo y my sister. Me gusta la pizza y cine es burritos, tacos, and everything that is Latino.
Wow.
You want some?
Oh my god.
Dude, you're working like a baby. Stop all of this face.
Get in the groove.
Hey, every time I look at you, I want to play like you're ugly, but I just can't do it.